Hey, what is up, everybody? I am Jason, and you're watching my channel, Micro Investor. So in this video, we're going to talk about WWE stock, the Real Wrestling Entertainment. We're going to talk about how the stock has recently gotten slammed. So at the time of filming this right now, WWE stock is down around 9-10%. And over this past year, they're down around 45%. What's going on right now is they reported earnings of 78 cents a share on a revenue of 322.8 million. That is an increase of 18.5% from the year earlier as quarter. But analysts were expecting the company to report earnings of 74 cents a share on a revenue of 333.3 million. So there's been quite a few shakeups at the company. One of the big shakeups actually is recently Vince McMahon fired two executives, their CFO and their CRO. Both of them were at the company for over 10 years. So they've been there for a long time. And the reason why that they were fired for was looks like they had disagreements on the direction that the company was headed in the future, I guess. So looking at some of the problems that WWE is having, it looks like they're having some monetization problems. They're having lower live viewing attendance in the arena, as well as lower viewership ratings on TV. And also looks like there's a problem or a bad deal going on in the Middle East and India as far as a distribution agreement goes. And looking into some other things here, it looks like there's been a lot of shares being sold to this company over the past while. Vince McMahon and the rest of the family has been selling off quite a bit of their shares, actually. And one thing that I know that Vince McMahon is doing is he's been selling his shares to fund a whole separate company because he's been relaunching the XFL. He's been working on that for a long time, and that's not part of WWE. That's a whole separate thing that he's doing. And so he's, being the CEO of WWE and also, being the CEO of this whole other company trying to get XFL going. Now, me being someone that invests into companies in the stock market, personally, I don't see what the big reaction is with the WWE stock. Two executives who are paid more than all the wrestlers leaving the company, being fired from the company. I don't see that really being that big of a deal because what people are really watching is the athletes, the wrestlers, or whatever you want to call them. That's what people are actually watching. That's what entertains people. And that should be the focus of the company. Not really trying to impress the whole corporate side of the company, the whole shareholders. That was kind of a flaw with WWE, with a lot of people when they stopped watching, was that WWE has to impress everybody that's invested, all the shareholders of the company. One of the things that I've really noticed about WWE is there hasn't been any larger than life characters that have come out of this company in a very long time, especially over the last 10 years. I can't think of a single person, but I can think of people prior to that. I can think of maybe the last one that I really know that was really big was John Cena. That was he debuted in 2002, but we all know The Rock, we know Stone Cold Steve Austin, The Undertaker, Hulk Hogan. There's many more, but they're all people from back in the day. There hasn't been any larger than life characters of the last 10, 15 years, really. And I think that's one of the big flaws with this company is they've kind of stopped focusing so much on that. And that's what drove this company. That was the big thing. That's what kids wore the t-shirts for and they bought the action figures. So that'd be nice to see, things go back to that way. And something actually I want to point out real quick is actually looking at their highs of last year in 2019. Looks like in April 23rd, 2019, they were trading around $99.25. That's where they hit their peak. With that, this stock has dropped down more than half its price from then. So there might be, if you're a total fan of WWE, if it's something you want to invest into, this could possibly be a good buying opportunity and also give you a better yield on cost as far as dividend goes, because they have a dividend of a little over 1% right now. So if you strongly believe that things are going to turn around, this could be a great opportunity. Definitely something to look into. Maybe those executives were the problem. I guess time will have to tell. We'll see how the future goes with the company from there. But anyways, I'd like to know what you guys think. Is anybody invested in the WWE? Please let me know. As always, everybody, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.